Hello guys, so this is our second lecture and today we will see the data operators in the R programming.
So we have the different type of data operators like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, and spatial operator. So let's see one by one. So we have some arithmetic operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
So we can try all these operations simply using the console. Let's see an example.
So suppose I want to add two numbers. So it will give me the output. Simply means likewise we can perform all other operations. When we are performing division operation means when we are trying to divide any value by using this operator, so we'll get, in that case we'll get the value that will be float. Okay, so we can see that this is a operator which we are using for division, but dividing value, but after division we'll get the output as float. So this is actually for to getting an integer we'll have a different operator, so we'll see this one. Okay, so here we have also some operations like that power of operator. So we can perform this also, like 2 raised to 3, that will provide us 8. Simply we have the second operator, that is double percentage, so it will provide us the modulo. So it is a modulus operation, so we can perform this like, so it will provide us 1. So it is a modulus operation which is providing us the modulus of this of 5 mod 2. Now as we have seen that 4 divided by 2 is giving us a float value. So when we want to get the number value, actually we have different data types in the R. So number is one of them and float is one of them. So float is what? It is a real number where we can include numbers also. But number is a data type which is not including any float or any fractional point. So next operator is, suppose we want to divide. So here we are getting the output 3 and it is actually a number. So data type of this value will be the number, and this will be actually float. So these are the assignment operators which we can use during the programming. Next is the relational operators. So greater than, small, less than, equal to, or not equal to. These are the relational operators which we can use during the programming. So let's see one by one. Suppose we are asking that 2 is greater than 3, so it will provide us the false. It is providing us false, a boolean value, as it is not true. If we try this operator, that so it will provide us true, as 5 is less than 7. Let's try the next operation, that is equal to. So it is checking the value as they are equal or not. So after this it will give us true, as 2 is equals to 2. And the next one is what? Not equal to. So here we are using no, epsilon operator, that uh, that suppose x, we are assigning a value. Suppose we have already have x value, so we can print the x here. So x is 2. So we'll check with any other number that whether x is not equal to 2 or 2. So we'll check this. So x epsilon equal to 3. So it will provide us true. Why? Because x is not equal to 3, it is true. So it is providing us 2. Uh, excuse me. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. So these are the greater than equal to and less than equal to, another two relational operators. So we can also use them, and it will provide us the same true or false result. Now let's move to the next, that is logical operator. So these are the three logical operators. First one is the AND operator, second is the OR operator, and epsilon is provides the negation. That is the negation operator, or it provides the inverse of the number. So when we check this value, so we will get the this kind of outputs like, let me check first, 2 and 3. So it is giving us true. Actually, it is a Boolean operator. So when for this we need two conditions like x and y equals to what. So when both values will be true, in that case, if we are using AND operator, so it will provide the true value. Otherwise, it will provide the false value. Similarly, this is like Boolean OR operation. So it will provide true in the case when both values are true. And the similar third one is the negation operator. It is also a Boolean operator which will provide us a true or false value. Let's move to the next slide. Now this is a range of operator, that is what column. So we can use it as, suppose we have value, we have a vector. Suppose how to create vector we'll see later on, but till the time, suppose we have a vector that is uh, uh, have the values 2 to 5. So it is a range of operator, that is colon. So after that we'll get the output that way, that is from 2 to 5. So we can now print the value of the vector. So it will provide us 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the operator which is giving us the values from the particular range to range. Okay, so means we have given the range that is 2 to 5, so it is giving the values in between that range. And this is another operator. Okay, this operator is used to find out identify whether the value is in between the range or not. So we can see that, suppose we have a value, suppose uh, we have this range. So in between this range we can find out that whether the y, suppose we have a value y, uh, suppose we can check that, suppose we have number 4 that is in between VTR or not. So it is in the VTR, means we can say that the 4 is a member of this vector. So here the value output is true. So these are the outputs which can be find out from this operator. So these two were the special operators.
In the next lecture, we will see the data types, that is the next topic of the R programming. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.